Okay, so here I got my headlights from my vehicle. I mean, they're aftermarket, obviously, but I got some of these LED headlights that I seen on Amazon. They're projector LEDs, so I was like, oh, we'll see what those are. I got them. They came in, and it's literally like an LED mounted in what would be, I guess, a projected. So this is like a projector, all in one piece projector, instead of having like, you projecting the headlight that you bought, in a headlight itself projector. They're coming out with like these all in one projector headlight LEDs. So in order for me to fit these in my vehicle, I first have to take out this junk, but you kind of got to modify your headlight, because your headlight or my headlight has that umbrella deal that I guess the light reflects off of and goes all over the place, but a projector is just projecting the beam itself, so it's not necessarily using this umbrella deal. Plus, when I stick this in there, it slams up against that and it would just block all the light anyway. So these have to be taken out. I have on my car over here already, I have one installed in there. I don't know if you can tell with the glare, but it's in there. You can see it there. Kind of goes along good with everything in there, really, but there it is, just sticking straight through. I don't have the umbrella blocking, so that's what I'm gonna do here. And literally all it is let me set this up a little bit better. All it is, after I take off, take this part real quick. Let me get this out of here. Alright. I don't know if you can see this, but right in there, holding the umbrella piece and this clip piece, is a Phillips head screw right there. Right there. You can't see, it's just dark, but it's just right there at the end of my finger. I take that off and it all falls apart. And then the projector slides right in there. So I guess they gave me a little screwdriver to do it, but I had my own. It's a little easier. And you can literally unscrew this. Pull on this thing. I stuck some pliers in there to get it loose. Put it up here. You can't see what I'm doing. So that, like that. There it is. This is what happened the first time too. It just fell in there. So then they got it in there, so it must have to come out. I just fished it out, popped it around with my finger for a few minutes. Let me get a seat here. There it is, fell out. Now, let's get that screw out of there. That screw, oh, it's the... Alright, now, the screw's still in there. Alright, there's the screw. Now it's just an opening. Like, we can straight up fit the bulb in there. But the only thing is, I don't have that. I'd have to like completely rig up a way to make that screw work to get that little clamp piece to work. But I was able, like with these lights come like this box that's for, I don't know what it's for, but it goes from, it's just a piece here, like this is the connector that connects to its little box, and then this connects to my car's deal or whatever. So I mean, all of this I have to shove into into the back of this, and by shoving it in there and then putting my little weather seal on, it kind of just holds everything in there, so that's what I'm going with. But this thing just fits in there like so, and then it's going to look like that, like the one we seen over there. But yeah, if you get these bulbs and you're figuring out, well, how the heck do they go in there, then, you know, maybe this video will help you out a little bit. But today, you know, in a bigger video, I'm doing this and putting flush mount LED headlights, or not headlights, but just some flush mount pods on my little Ford Focus, because I can't see anything when I'm driving home. I drive an hour or two in from work, and when I'm on my way home, it's pitch black, and I live in the boonies, so we got wildlife and deer all over the place, and I just like to see where I'm going. So that's how you do modifying your headlight there. That way you can fit it in your car. So hopefully these work better, but they were like $30 or something like that. I'll put the price down in the description or whatever what they were, but you can go on Amazon and look up your light size, put in like LED projector bulbs or something. But yeah, I hope this helped you out. Alright, well, here it all is. I got my flush mounts installed. I mean, it's not the best, but it'll help me see at night, because that's why I did this, because, you know, I had LEDs to begin with, and then one of my LEDs burnt out, so I put the regular halogen bulb back in, and I couldn't really see, because these are the bulbs that, you know, I don't have a bright bulb and a regular bulb. I have just one bulb that switches in between itself for my bright, so they were never really that bright to begin with. So I got these projector LEDs in the headlights, and then I mounted these flush mounts in there. That way I can turn them on when I'm, you know, driving at night back and forth from work. So I'll just show you what they look like. There's the LEDs. Just the LED little square fog lights there, and then I'll grab my keys, turn on the high and low beams. These are my lows, and then my highs. I don't know, I'm not going to be able to tell until nighttime to see what is what, or how well they actually work, but I mean, I can't really tell in here, but it seems like it does alright.